Wednesday, July 17th, 2024. Focus. The Lord will not forsake His people. If you look around, it is not uncommon to see situations where it appears that the evil has triumphed. War-torn nations, broken families, young people who are trapped in terrible vices, injustice in society, and oppression of the marginalized. In moments like these, we perhaps wonder, is God blind to the wickedness everywhere? When life is especially hard, we sometimes feel that we see more than God does. However, as the psalmist eloquently reminds us, how could we possibly see or hear more than God who formed our very ears and eyes? Whatever we see, He sees more. He knows infinitely more about our problems than we ourselves do. When we are burdened with a difficult situation in our family, workplace, or institution, we may want to give up and walk away. We all grow weary in relationships. It may seem simpler to opt out of conflict or dodge a difficult reconciliation. But God never grows weary in loving us. He never considers walking away. The trials we face may shake our faith, yet we need to hold fast to our belief in a just and sovereign God by staying close to Jesus. For no one knows the Father except the Son, and anyone to Him the Son chooses to reveal Him. Fruit. When my soul weighs heavy, I will be strong and remember that God will never forsake me.